No one actually explains the fundamental of order flow except me. In this video, I will explain the footprint in deep explanation, and we will understand different types of footprint like the AskBit footprint, delta and volume, and some fundamental concepts of order flow. So let's move on. Now you have to understand firstly, the order flow is not the single strategy. The order flow is the name of the whole point. Actually, it's not the single system. You have to extract your edge. You have to extract your strategy from these concepts and understandings. You will have the skill set after finishing my course, which I share on YouTube for free with you. Before I understand everything, we have to understand the first two, the basic concepts of the order flow with the understanding of the market participants. So there is two types of the market participants. The first one is the aggressive market participants. They are enterers directly in the market price. They are given the market order. And they are passive market participants or the passive market makers. Waits for the price reach to interested level. They are putting their limit orders to the both side. Look at here, types of the orders. The market orders, the aggressive orders given by the aggressive market makers or the aggressive participants. The limit and stop orders given by the passive market makers. I think it's so easy to understand. So basically, the market orders executed by the aggressive market makers and the limit orders executed by the passive market makers. So it's actually the basic understanding of the price movements. Actually, the reason why the market moves. The market orders from the aggressive participants feeding the limit orders of the passive participants. At this time, the price starts to moving up and down with the buy and sell pressure. It's called the matching algorithm, where we are putting the market order, buy or sell. This market order will go on the order book, and they will be matching with the limit orders in opposite side. So let's move on to the types of the footprint. There are three types of the footprint we'll talk about. The first one is the AskBit footprint. The second one is delta, and the third one is the volume. Now I will explain what this all is showing. So note that footprint shows data of executed orders by aggressive participants, which they are filling the limit orders at each level of the price. Example 4, it's the lower prices and it's the higher prices. The DOM, depth of market, shows the unexecuted limit orders of passive participants. Example 4, this photo shows the depth of market. So the higher prices is the sell limit orders, the lower prices is the buy limit orders at the lower prices. Here it's the DOM, the sell limit orders at higher prices. This is called the ask. It's the current market price right here, and at the lower prices they are buyers. They are buyers who putting the limit orders for buying at the lower prices. This is called the bid. So AskBit footprint, it's the footprint candle. By the way, it's from the TradingView. TradingView doesn't show the tick-to-tick data. That's why you can use the other platforms. It's about TradingView shows the data of some point range. So let's understand what these numbers tells us. Let's assume that there's an apple. It's the price range, it's the higher prices, and it's the lower prices of the apple at its range. There is a ask orders. For at the highest price, there are 4 apple waiting to be filling, and after that there's a 5 apple sell limit order at the ask side, and the opposite side there is 3 apple at the bid as a buy limit, and 10 apple at the lowest prices, and this range is the current price. Now let's say that Someone came and they put the buy market orders with the 2 apple size. This order will be going to the ask side, and this one will be matching with the best ask prices above the current price. Example, if it's 2 apple, then if in the limit book there is a 5 at the first level, first tick, it will be calculated as 5 minus 2, and there will be 3 apple left at the limit orders, sell limit orders. And these 2 apple market orders will be shown here at the footprint chart with the buy side. So after that, the sell limit market orders will be executed and filled by bid limit orders right here. So basically, from that footprint chart, the right side shows filled by market orders by sell limits, and the left side shows the filled sell market orders by buy limits right here. And this is the different price levels. Example, this is maybe 10, 9, 8, 7. It shows actually the different price levels, this footprint candle. So let's move on to the volume before understanding the volume footprint. The volume, actually the total volume, we will talk about the total volume. It will be ask and bid volume differently. Let's say that this is the simple ask bid footprint candle right here. I have put this one because of the easier calculations. So let's find out the total volume of this candle. Firstly, we have to find the sum of these orders, this executed by market orders, 5 plus 4, 5, 2, 1. This is the 17. And after that, we have to find the sum of the sell market orders which executed by buy limit orders at the lower prices. The sum of these also is 17, and the total volume will be 34. At this candle, at the left side, as you can see, firstly the sell market orders which executed at the left, the total volume is the 245, and the buy market orders which executed at the right side of this footprint, the total of this is 424. So I will talk about the delta, but as you can see, there is a total. The total is 669. So the volume bars shows the exact same thing for the different candles, the total volume executed at each candle. So basically, if we want to find the volume footprint, as I said, at the left side of this ask bid footprint, it's the buy market orders right here. At the left side, it's the sell market orders filled at different levels. So we have to find the sum of them, because what I said is the total volume is the sum of the sell volume and the buy volume. So 0 plus 8, it's the 8 will go here. Same thing for these ones, or let's move on to this one. 104 plus 101 is the 205, goes right here. It's the directly straight off. And the last one, example 4, it's the 6 at the sell market sides and the 44 at the buy market sides. It's the 6 plus 44 and it's 50, goes right here. It's basically the how the volume footprint is printing. Now let's move on to the delta. Delta shows the difference between the buy volume and the sell volume. Buy volume and the sell volume. Buy volume is the executed buy market orders. The sell volume is executed sell market orders. If the buyers is greater than sellers, so it will be positive delta, because after subtraction we will get the positive number. Or at the opposite side, if the buyers is less than the sellers, we will get the negative delta, because we will get, after subtraction, we will get the negative number. So let's find out the delta right here. It's the candle delta. Actually, it's the ask bid footprint right here. As you can see there is a delta number. How we find out this delta number? Firstly, we have to subtract the total volume of the buyers with the total volume of the sellers. Total volume of the buyers at the right side is the 413, and the total number of sellers is 424, and we will get the negative 11. As you can see here, delta is negative 11. It's the negative delta. And the opposite, it's the positive delta. How we get it? It's the buy volume here at the ask side. This is the buy orders, buy market orders, aggressive from the aggressive participants, which filled by the sell limit orders at the higher prices, and it's the sell market orders from the aggressive sellers, and filled by buy limit orders at the lower prices. So it's the 365 and the 305. We have to subtract firstly the buyers minus sellers, and we get the positive 60, and it's the positive delta. So I'm gonna get the delta footprint candle. So basically we have to subtract. Actually, we don't subtract it, but I want to just explain how these footprint candles, delta footprint candles, are printing. That's why it's there for the educational purpose only. So look at here. Let's subtract them. Buyers here at the right minus sellers. 218 minus 64, 154. Right goes on right here, and here 213 minus 253, and it will be negative 40. Goes on right here, and let's look at the last one. 31 minus 5, it will be positive 25. Oh, sorry, it's 26, and we'll go right here. I think you understand also how easy to calculate the delta footprint. We just have to find the difference between the buyers and the sellers at each price level. Actually, it should be the tick-to-tick data, but actually it's the footprint candles from the trading view. Trading view doesn't show the tick-to-tick data. It's just an example I want to put for easy explanation. Now let's look at the charts, how to add the footprint candles on trading view. You have to click this candle. Actually, there is a candles symbol right here at the above of the trading view. Once you open up this menu, there is a volume footprint right here. Once you click on it, by the way, let's remove this one. Once you click on it, these footprint candles will be opened up, and as you can see, if we zoom in, each candle has the delta, which buyers, total volume of the buyers, buy market orders, minus total volume of the sell market orders. And there is also total volume of each candle, buy market orders plus sell market orders, that will be printing at the low of this candle. So now I want to show how to switch this one to the other footprints. So as you can see, after opening the settings of the symbol, you will see this type here. Click on it and select the delta. It will show the delta footprint. As I said, delta is the difference between the buyers and the sellers, the buy volume and the sell volume. It shows in price levels, its price levels. We will use this one as a finding out the absorptions and exhaustions at the next lessons. It's just an introduction lesson, as I said. So for looking for the volume footprint, we have to choose here the total. And this one here will be show the volume footprint, the total of the buyers and the sellers or buy market orders which executed already and the sell market orders at its price levels. It will show the volume footprint. And here, as you can see from the volume footprint, it will show the delta. You will see the delta, the total volume of this candle, total buy orders, and the total sell orders which executed in this candle. At the next lessons, we'll talk about the imbalance, absorption, and exhaustion, how you're gonna use it, and the trapped buyers and the sellers by using the footprint candles.